Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy BNB on your Coinbase wallet. So first you have to log into your Coinbase wallet, and here you see I have some BNB right now on my wallet. Now from here you have to simply click on this buy button here. After simply click on this buy button, you can simply click on this network icon here. Now from here you have to select it to USDC. If you select USDC and search for BNB, then you actually can find the BNB coin, and you can find the BNB wormhole that actually not able to buy in the Coinbase wallet. So you just need to do is simply go back and select the best network here. So select the best network from the walleters, and from here you have to simply search for Ethereum, and I prefer you to buy some Ethereum from here first. Now after converting your USD into Ethereum, the crypto, then you can just go back to your home and simply click on this magnifying glass to search for the BNB coin. So search for BNB and you can find the BNB coin here. Now you can simply click on the BNB coin from here, and you can find that there is the buy option is now fade out. That means buy option is not available for BNB coin in the Coinbase wallet. So we are going to use the swipe feature. So we actually can directly buy the BNB coin in the Coinbase wallet, but we can indirectly swipe with the Ethereum coin, and another way, in other prospect, it will available on our wallet. So simply click on swipe, and after click on swipe that you have to select the Ethereum to the BNB. After selecting that, you have to enter that amount of Ethereum that you want to convert or the swap. So I want to convert this amount, so you can find if you use this amount of Ethereum, it will convert to this amount of BNB, and all of the details from here I prefer you to check twice. After checking perfectly, you can simply click on swap, and it will take short time to swiping from your Ethereum to BNB, and after that you can find the updating balance message prompted on your screen, and after a while you can find your BNB available in your wallet. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.